What's up, everybody? Going for a little morning stroll, and wanted to check out this house, show you guys this house that Steph and I are thinking about buying. And yeah, here she is. See that sticker there? That is what we saw in the window a little ways back, and we knew it was a foreclosure. We knew it would be coming on the market. Now it has, and now we have put an offer in, and so things just got real. We are, this is a foreclosure. There's going to be a rehab, a huge rehab. We're not changing the blueprint, but we're changing pretty much everything else inside the place. Huge rehab. It's going to be a rehab loan, and yeah, we just thought it'd be fun to bring everybody along through the process, the inspections, the rehab, the decisions. As a real estate agent and someone who likes to teach it a little bit, thought this would be great. We have bought houses before, but this is kind of the dream house, so it's kind of, it just makes the odds that much higher for us. And so already it's kind of been some emotional jumping jacks here, and it's been a great way for me to get into the driver's seat, so that I can maybe help my clients a little better. And so just kind of having fun thinking about the process and how I can help my clients walk their process a little bit better. But yeah, this is it. This is what we're going to be working on. It's got a lot of the boxes we want checked. We love the neighborhood. We love that it's got a fireplace and that it's in this a cul-de-sac. Bunch of little things like that, and yeah, we hope you guys come along and join us on this. It's going to be fun. Steph and I would love your prayers as well, and yeah, we will be here a lot. Take it easy.